I'm Anthony, and this is the Biotech Brief, where I give you short and simplified updates about the biotech industry. This brief will talk about a treatment being developed for Parkinson's disease and other brain diseases, and it involves injecting wires into the brain. When someone develops Parkinson's, it causes a group of nerve cells in the brain to begin dying off, and that triggers the tremors and shakes we're all familiar with. What you may not know is that shocking the problem area with electrical jolts can help stop Parkinson's symptoms. One way doctors deliver these shocks to nerve cells in the brain is through deep brain stimulation. But this treatment has limitations because it involves implanting big electrodes in the brain. This causes scar tissue to build up, which decreases the treatment's effectiveness. So a new treatment is being developed that uses a crazy awesome flexible wire mesh. Each mesh is around the length of a pen cap and is able to do something never seen before. Once injected into the brain of a living mouse, these meshes can stimulate individual nerve cells and measure those cells' behavior for more than a year. The mesh is made of gold wires and layers of polymers, which make it super flexible, and it fits easily into a needle so it can be injected into the brain instead of implanted. Part of the mesh sticks out through the brain and a hole in the skull, so it can be connected to a computer that controls the electric shocks and measures the brain activity. Now, the idea is to precisely target areas that doctors want to stimulate without needing to implant the types of bulky devices that are currently used. These mesh devices might also help treat depression and schizophrenia more precisely than today's drugs, which basically expose the entire brain to chemicals and cause a ton of side effects. The mesh device will soon begin being tested in humans, specifically people with epilepsy. I think medical devices are important tools in minimizing the effects of diseases, but I don't see this treatment reaching patients for a pretty long time. For more biotech industry information, you can follow the Biotech Brief on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, and I'll see you next time.